cherry, mushroom, sata, 2 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon, yeah?
No.
Mixed with egg. Dapat ganyan. Ilagay sa ibabaw. Huwag ilagay daw doon. The broccoli, cauliflower, put in the plastic. Lagay sa plastic. Lagyan ng asin na kunti lang.
Black.
Tapos black pepper daw. Tapos olive oil. And then you make like this, like that.
Yeah, because I need to make messy.
Okay.
You clean that one?
And then i-grill. I-grill daw, wag nang i-boil.
Yeah.
Kapag wala ng walang grill na ganyan, pwedeng palayok.
Oil.
Yung avocado, ganun lang, slicing lang na ganyan. Ilagay sa plato. Ganyan, gagawin. Tapos, maggawa na naman siya ng butter. This one is for this. The satar. Tapos, ganyan. With egg na satar yan. Dalawang 2 spoon. 2 spoon with egg. How many egg this one? 2.
2 eggs. Put the head, okay?
Okay.
Leave it
Ayan.
for 5-6 minutes.
Ayan. Mahinang apoy lang siya. Ganyan. Ayan siya, oh. Tapos, ganyan.
Kya karne?
Ganyan naman yung grill.
Veggie.
Kasi,
Right.
kasi hindi naman namin na, yun. Hindi kumakain ng amo namin ng ganyan. Kasi, tikman ko daw to. Linagyan niya ng olive oil, black pepper at saka salt. Yan lang ang inilagay niya. Ganyan lang siya, oh. Huwag nang baliktarin. No need to... Huwag nang baliktarin.
Just you put the head, you know? If you're putting the head, it's okay.
Ganyan lang, huwag nang baliktarin daw. Tanggalin daw. Ilagay niyan ng para matanggal yung oil. Ganyan. Oh, diba? Cute. Oh, tinanggal niya yung oil kasi hindi daw pwede yung oil. Ganyan siya. Oh, very nice.
Only this one for Baba?
Yeah, only this one. Like
Put it
this.
like this.
And then the broccoli like this here.
Yeah.
So